How to delete a LinkedIn account permanently. To delete a LinkedIn account permanently, first things first, you simply have to go ahead and launch the LinkedIn application onto your device. Once you open it, you simply have to tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the settings option from the bottom. Now head to the account preferences at the top. From here, scroll down to the bottom. You will find the close and delete account at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this continue option. From here, select the reasoning for leaving the platform. Then tap next. Now you simply have to type in your password over here and then tap done. Once you do this, you simply have to click done once again and also unsubscribe out of emails or opt out of unsubscribed emails and then proceed to permanently close your account. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.